Let me show you how to make Insalata de Mare, or cold seafood salad. It sounds very fancy, but it's really easy to make at home. So here's how you do it. The base of the salad is calamari, shrimp, and scallops. I cooked the calamari in boiling water until it was just opaque, and then I put it in an ice bath to stop the cooking so it didn't get rubbery. In the same water as my calamari, I cooked my shrimp, and I lightly seared my scallops on either side. This is a one bowl kind of recipe. Into our bowl, the zest and juice from 1 lemon. Whisk in some olive oil. See how that's all emulsified together. Chopped celery, salt, chopped red onion. A quick tip just to subdue that red onion. While you prep your fish and all the other ingredients, just soak your red onion in some water. It'll really help to mellow out the flavor so it doesn't overpower the fish. 1 whole bunch of parsley. That goes into our bowl. Cracked black pepper. And now our gorgeous seafood. I'll cut the shrimp in thirds or quarters, and some of these bigger tentacles just in half. You can keep the rings either whole or cut them in half. We'll mix it all together. Let that beautiful lemon olive oil dressing coat all the fish. Now optionally, you could add olives here, roasted red peppers, cherry tomatoes. I like it just simple. Fish, lemon, olive oil, parsley, salt and pepper. How gorgeous is that? You can find this recipe and more at thewellnesskitchenista.com. Hit that like and follow button.